Hello everyone, I'm Malin. Welcome back to the grammar lesson. Hope that you are doing well. Okay, today we are going to learn about another very interesting and useful verb tense, future continuous tense. Okay, let's get started. This future continuous tense can also be called as a future progressive tense. This tense we use to indicate an action that will occur over a period of time at some point in the future. Simply say, this tense we use to talk about the things that we accept will be happening at a given point in the future. That is to say, by using this tense, we can talk about ongoing future activities. Another interesting part of this verb tense, it only works with action verb. We cannot use this tense with stative verbs such as love, like, know, or remember. Okay, we can use two different phrases to indicate future continuous tense. These are will be doing and going to be doing. Okay, let's look at some example. Look at this example. You will be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. You are going to be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. Look at the first example. You will be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. Here we talked about future ongoing activities. Action will occur in the future and also it will continue until when her plane arrives tonight. Okay, here we talked about ongoing activities in the future, so therefore we use future continuous tense. Remember, for statement we use will be plus verb ing form, waiting, to indicate future continuous tense. And also we can use be going to be doing phrase to indicate future continuous tense. Look at the second example. You are going to be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. Here we use be going to be doing phrase to indicate future continuous tense. Okay everyone, remember, when you are going to make a statement with the future continuous tense, we can use two different forms. First one is will be plus verb ing form, will be doing, and also we can use be going to be doing phrase to indicate future continuous tense with statement. Okay, now let's consider how to make negative statement and questions with future continuous tense. Look at this example. You will not be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. Will you be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight? Look at the first one. It's a negative statement. Remember, when you are going to make negative statement with future continuous tense, we can use will not be plus verb ing form. You will not be waiting for her. Okay, let's go through the second one. Will you be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight? It's an interrogative sentence. Ask question. When you are going to ask questions with future continuous tense, we can exchange subject and auxiliary verb will. Here auxiliary verb will comes at the beginning of the sentence because we are going to ask questions with future continuous tense, so therefore next come subject, then we use be and be verb and verb ing form. Will you be waiting for her? Okay everyone, now let's turn our attention on uses of future continuous tense. Future continuous tense we can use to indicate that ongoing action in the future will be interrupted by another action or time in the future. Look at this example. I will be watching TV when she arrives tonight. It will be raining tomorrow evening when you return. Tonight at 6, I am going to be eating dinner. Look at the first example. I will be watching TV when she arrives tonight. Here first part of the sentence, I will be watching TV, comes with future continuous tense because we use will be plus verb ing form to indicate future continuous tense. Its ongoing action in the future, action will start in the future and also it continue up until another point in the future. Okay, here when she arrives tonight is the interrupted action, it interrupted to the ongoing action in the future. Okay, look at the second one. It will be raining tomorrow evening when you return. Its prediction that we accept can be happen in the future. Here it will be raining tomorrow comes with future continuous tense. We use will be plus verb ing form, raining, to indicate that ongoing action in the future. Here also action will start in the future and also it continue up until another point in the future. Okay, look at the next one. Tonight at 6, I am going to be eating dinner. Okay, here I am going to be eating dinner. We use be going to be phrase to indicate that continue action or ongoing action in the future. Here also it means at 6 I will be in the middle of doing my activity. I will be in the middle of eating dinner. Okay everyone, when we consider this all example, it's clear we can use this future continuous tense to talk about ongoing action in the future. Okay everyone, we can also use this tense to indicate parallel actions in the future. That is to say, we can use this tense to indicate two actions will be happening at the same time in the future. Look at this example. I'm going to be studying and you are going to be making dinner. Tonight, they will be eating dinner, discussing their plan and having a good time. Okay, look at the first example. I'm going to be studying and you are going to be making dinner. Okay, here we can see two actions will be happening at the same time in the future. Here two ongoing actions we can see. I'm going to be studying and you are going to be making dinner. Okay, here we use be going to be doing phrase to indicate that future continuous action. These are two ongoing actions that can be happening in the future at the same time. Okay, look at the next one. Tonight they will be eating dinner, discussing their plans and having a good time. Okay, here we can see three parallel actions or three ongoing actions in the future. They will be eating dinner, discussing their plans and having a good time. Okay, here we can see three ongoing actions that happen at the same time in the future. Okay everyone, remember this tense we can use to talk about two actions will be happening at the same time in the future. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about what is the future continuous tense. Okay, thank you for joining with us. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.